Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on cryptocurrencies. So on Thursday we have discussed the chances and the way how we could consider taking the long position, and there was actually two possible scenarios: either wait for a minor pullback that actually hasn't happened, or to use stop buy order in the moment of the breakout slightly below the top. So using the stop entry, as markets start breaking and stops start working, triggering the stop orders, pushing price higher. So in general, this stage of the performance, the stage of our trading plan is over, because market now has completed a weekly target, which is the ABC XOP 3535 area. And take a look, right now this has really strong resistance, including the XOP and confidence resistance on the weekly chart. That's potentially the background for a possible pullback. So here's of course the different question: how reliable this performance and what stands on the background. This subject we try to discover in our monthly report that we're preparing and hoping it will be released on Monday. So, but from the really technical points of view, and if we will start thinking pragmatically, if upward action has happened and we haven't taken the part in it, it means that, well, we have lost the chance. And whatever stand on the background of this action, it was the ability to get some positive result in this performance. Well, at the same time, in any gold rush, everybody making money until some moment. And you could see what's going on right now on the United States stocks. Just Google shares have dropped recently significantly. It might be the first sign that the party is over. So on the Bitcoin, there's definitely some euphoria around the expectation of the ETF approval. But right now, as market stands technical and strong resistance, and we see some upward positive action as on the dollar index, as on 10-year in general yields on the United States, it's great, good environment for starting of the pullback. Here's a few levels that we could consider, but probably we should start from the daily chart and some nearest standing levels. On the daily chart, you could see that we have great thrust up. 3x3 has not been tested yet. I mean, this purple line is a 3x3 moving average. And on the daily chart, you could see also the market stands at overbought. Now we have the interesting combination. This market stands at the overbought and the agreement resistance with the confidence level on the weekly chart. So as you understand, this is rock hard resistance levels, and it's definitely really good background for taking the short position. But as usual, we're not taking short position just because of the resistance, especially when the background that we have in this so strong rally. It might be the suicide, just blindly going against this train. So the one thing that we need to get is just the pattern. Either this will be the bread body we will buy here, or maybe there will be double repo, or it will be some classical patterns on lower time frame, butterfly and shortest on lower time frame, where with pleasure we'll take a look at it and use for trading. Currently on the lower time frame, it's not many things to talk about. It's just because market just has reached this level, so it just has not enough time to form something. On the 4-day frame chart, I see nothing actually. Here might be some separate minor double repo to be formed. Just need to keep an eye on it. So what will happen here? Because here the overall thrust also looks good. This could start downward action. On the daily chart, on the hourly chart, it might be some classical pattern to be formed. So market theoretically keeps chances on a possible another upward minor action with the forming, for example, the butterfly or something of this kind. So maybe it will be some minor upper continuation recent, and next it be formed the hand shoulders or something of that sort. So, but currently, as you can see, it's a bit early to speak about. This market just has reached this level and is deciding what's gonna do next. So for us, it's just need time to wait a bit. So maybe today's data release and Christine Lagarde comments, and tomorrow personal consumption expenditures will shed some light on the next performance. But currently, I would say that it's definitely not the point for taking the new longs, although you believe or know some really driving factors that could push the Bitcoin price through all this resistance stuff. And second, for taking the short position, scalp short position on lower time frames, it's a bit too early, so we do not see yet the shape what the market will take. And that's why we're not clearly understand yet where to place the stop and where to enter. So just some suggestions exist on what it might be. So, but potentially we're watching for retracement here out from the resistance, and potentially we probably will consider some short-term scalp or short-term daily chart trends in the downside direction. So let's see.